Kitchen. I'm Cassie from BBC Good Food and this is Hallie Ray.
Hi!
In this new 6-part series, we're going to be teaching you and your children 6 essential skills for cooking. In this episode, we're learning how to roast in the oven and we're going to be making roasted pepper shakshuka. Are you ready to cook?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it. You'll need a nice big deep roasting tin for cooking this dish in, so just have it to hand. Now, Hallie Ray, we're ready to prepare the peppers. Do you want to do that? Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is pull the green part out. We don't need that part.
And we don't need all the seeds.
And we don't need the seeds. Okay, is that all the seeds out?
Yep.
Yep, good job. Can you hold that spoon for me?
Yep.
Just measure out, hold it over the peppers, and we'll measure a spoonful of olive oil. That's it, and you can drizzle that over the top. Pinch of salt. There you go, give them a mix.
And it's nice to use different colours of pepper.
I know, they look so colourful, don't they? Let's roast the peppers until they're nice and soft, and then we can add some more ingredients. Okay, let's set our timer for 10 minutes.
Okay. Just pop it down.
Okay, while the peppers are cooking, shall we peel the garlic cloves? So just peel off the papery skin. It's quite tricky, isn't it? Have you ever had shakshuka before?
No.
You're in for a treat. I think you're gonna love it. Okay, time to take peppers out. Okay, our peppers look lovely and soft, and we've got some nice charred pieces in there as well, which will add lots of flavour.
Scraping. I'll try not to splosh it this time.
Mix the peppers in.
Okay, I think that's good.
Great, so let's pop that back in the oven. Okay, so let's set our timer for 20 this time.
First, let's do some eggs.
Eggs, tidy up first.
Oh.
That's it, now pull it apart. Oh, perfect! It's also smelling delicious, isn't it?
Yeah.
It smells really good. Now it's time to drop the eggs into the sauce. That's it.
Perfect.
Okay, let's get that back in the oven for another 5 minutes.
Okay, let's get the timer then. Right, need to set it up to 5 minutes. There.
Okay, 5 minutes until food is ready.
Yep,
It's
it's ready.
That's it.
Choppy, 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 choppy.
So that's how you roast in the oven. You can use roasting not just for peppers, but for chicken or fish or lots of other ingredients. So it's a very handy tool to use in the kitchen. Okay, should we tuck in?
Yes.
Go.